And it's your girl, Kari. And it's your girl, Majestic.
And today I'm going to be cooking some catfish nuggets.
And I'm going to be cooking some potato fries. I'm going to be cooking some cheesy rice broccoli. Let's get into it. Mom already cut my french fries up, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little seasoning on them, which is going to be the famous Dave's Steak and Burger seasoning. Trust me, it's a bomb on french fries. Now I'm going to mix it all in with my hands. Now they're all seasoned. First I have to put my cheesy rice and broccoli in the microwave for 6 minutes.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
Grab it.
While I was gone, I grabbed my pot for my cheesy rice. Now I'm gonna pour some cheese in my pot. To the stove we go. Now that my deep fry is hot, now it's time to put my french fries in the basket. Until the grease stay good.
With the top. Yep, cover them up. Put on the right.
I'll be back, guys.
So I got my catfish fillet all washed and ready to get seasoned. And I'm going to put my seasoning on before I cut them. And my seasonings are Tony's seasoning and Old Bay seasoning, lemon and pepper seasoning. And let's get the seasoning these bad boys up.
Don't put too much.
This one comes out a lot.
Too much. Yeah, that's enough. Just a little bit here. Just a little bit. Hit the bottom if you have to.
It's fine, I'm just trying not to put a lot.
Flip it over.
Alright guys, I got everything all seasoned. Time to cut it into nuggets.
Now I'm gonna put my rice and broccoli in my cheesy sauce. And then Mom's gonna help me turn on the stove. Now that the rice and the broccoli is in the cheesy sauce, I'm going to give it a few stirs and then it's done. Perfect. Hey guys, my french fries are done. Now I'm going to get them into the pan.
Yeah. Now take the basket out slowly. Get it to the top and hook it on there and let it drain some. Yep, let it drain some. Like this. Like tilt it back and forth, not hard. Yep. Let the water, let the stuff come off. Yep, keep tilting. Okay, pour it in there. To the pan. Take your time pouring it. Yep, get in there. Them fries looking good. Bring it up here. And she can show them.
My French fries are all done.
All right, guys, I got my nuggets all chopped up. Time for the deep fryer. Let me just go grab the fish fry batter. Battered up, time to fry them.
How do I do the work?
Okay, guys, catfish nuggets are all done. Time to eat.
Now that we made this amazing food, let's eat.
We'll pack out.
Ow!